How to sync Instagram and Facebook account. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. Now from the home screen, tap on your profile icon here on the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the three lines icon here on the upper right corner and then select Settings option from here. Scroll down and click on Accounts Center. Now this is where Meta connects and control both your Instagram and Facebook together. Since we are on the Instagram app, tap on this Add Facebook account. The Facebook accounts logged in into your device will show, so just choose from there. After that, click on Continue. Confirm by tapping on this Yes, Finish Adding. And as you can see, the Instagram account is now linked into the Facebook account. So that is how to sync Instagram and Facebook account. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.